So hello guys, and I welcome you all to this Dynamic Life YouTube channel once again. So today's video is on how you can remove the bloatware / pre-installed apps from your phone. The only option you get to do is to disable the app. For example, like Facebook and Google Duo, the only option there is to disable. So basically disabling it doesn't make much sense, because disabling it just makes the app not run in your phone. It's just that it's still there, but it's not active. Like, you're not using that, so it's not active, it's just like staying there, but it is not uninstalled, it's still present in your phone. So I'm going to show you how you can remove that from your phone. So for that, first you will need a PC, and you will also need your phone. So first you have to download this file called the ADB file. So the link to that is in the description box below. You can just go check that out and just click the link. So I'm just quickly downloading my file right here. Now the next thing you have to do is, in your phone, go and install the app called the App Inspector. The link to that too is in the description box below. Just download it, and basically the only thing you need from this app is something called the package name. Like, for example, if you take Facebook from this list, you will get something called the package name. That's the only thing you basically need. Like I'm showing here, this is Flipboard, this is the package name, so that's the only thing you need. Now the next step in your phone itself is to go to the settings, and then after that go all the way down to developer options. So if your developer options aren't enabled, all you have to do is go to about phone and tap the build number a few times. That will enable your developer options. So in developer options, just enable USB debugging and okay. So yeah, that's what you have to do there. Then after that, you have to connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable, like I'm doing here. So it will ask for permission for USB debugging right now, so you have to allow it. Then after that, if you don't want this pop-up in between, if it might come, I don't know, you just can click always allow for this computer, and that's it. So here I'm just placing Facebook in the middle of my home screen, so that you can see when the app, if the app gets removed or not. So you have a small live screen in the side of my PC so that you can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and extract my zip file, the ADB file which I told you guys to install. So I'm just gonna extract that. Then after it's extracted, you will see a folder called platform tools. Click on that and go to the empty space and do shift plus right click and open command window here. Then after that, just first you have to type ADB devices in the command prompt. Then after that, it will say daemon started successfully and all. Then after that, again you have to type ADB devices. Then it'll show if it might ask for some permission in between. If it says so, just allow it. Then after that, or after all of that, just type ADB shell, which will show your device name. Like for my case, it is J7, so it has displayed my name. Then after that, if you want to get this list which is coming here, right here, just type PM list packages. That will enable this whole list packages. Then after that, to uninstall your desired app, type PM uninstall -k --user 0. Then after that, in quotes, write the package name with the use of the application, the App Inspector. Type the package name. Like for my case, it is com.facebook.katana, and make sure that you put them in quotes. And then after that, you have to hit enter. Then now I would like you guys to focus on my mobile screen. So yeah guys, as you all saw this, the Facebook app was vanished from there. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Like I say, if you do share, share and subscribe if you feel so, and we'll see next time in another video. For today, peace out.